Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. It's such a wonderful day, a beautiful day, a day to be inspired. And I wanted to, just come on here and share some inspiration with my aspiring authors out there. And for those of you who don't know, I'm Gertrude Chapman, creator of the Aspiring Authors Lab. And I teach aspiring authors who are struggling with self esteem, self confidence, and self worth issues to cut through the clutter, leverage their knowledge, and create an income. And I want to share some inspiration with you today. I hear a lot of times people who have good intentions to write their books, and it never happens. And maybe that's you. Distractions is one of the key factors that causes you to procrastinate in writing your book. You have every intention, but you lose focus. And you think that, you're going to start another day, and another day rolls into a week, and a week into a month, and those months into years. And sometimes it's 2 years, 5 years, and it goes on and on and on. But let me inspire you how you can minimize those distractions, because that's all it is. It's nothing but distractions that's causing you to procrastinate and, delaying what you intend to do. And it all comes from not knowing where to start. And I want to give you a tip today, a tip that will help you. And that tip is create an outline. Create an outline. And why should you use an outline? I have a perfect ebook that will help you be intentional and give you the steps to begin writing your book. So if you go over to bit.ly/how to write my book and purchase your copy of the Aspiring Authors Learn How to Write Your First Book Study Guide and Workbook. It will open up your creativity and help you to focus on writing. And again, the link is bit.ly/how to write my book. And I want to thank you for joining me today, taking a busy time out of your schedule, a time out of your busy schedule, put it that way. I'm Gertrude Chapman, inspirational book coach. And remember, this is your time, this is your season, this is your turning point. Have a great rest of the day.